Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away.
Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm upgrading the tail light on my bike to something that is a little less boring than the original light. I'm going to replace it with one of these. There are two models for the Yamaha Nmax and both of them look really awesome. This model has two colors. I personally prefer the white, and this one comes only in red. But the problem is that pictures alone can't really tell you what the light is going to look like on your bike. You must see both on video, right? So I decided to ask for both tail lights. Thought it would be better to compare and show you guys what they really look like. And the guys at Tufini Motors said no problem. And as you can see, they sent me both models. Now to remove the tail lamp, you only need to remove the rear bracket. The tail light is screwed with 4 screws, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Of course, there are also 4 clips. Be careful not to lose those. And that's it. Unhook the wire connectors and remove the light. Now, as I told you while I was changing the turn signals, do not forget to change the relay, because failing to do so might cost you your new tail light. So replace the original relay with the one they sent you. Okay, let's start with the white light. Nothing complicated with the installation. Remove the bottom clips from the old light and place them on the new light. Install the light on the bike. Place the rubber cover and the rubber rings in their places. Slide the plastic cover on the rubber rings until you hear it click. Place the screws and finally reinstall the rear bracket. My thanks in this video for Tufini Motor. This video wouldn't be possible if they hadn't sent me both lights. Thank you very much. The tail light costs $128. The price is the same for both models. And guys, if you decide to buy the light or any other accessory for your bike, it's always a good idea to compare prices with other websites and other sellers. So far, Tufini Motor has the best prices. And don't forget that you get 5% discount, so the price of the light is really $121. All you have to do is mention the name of my channel in a message and wait for them to change the price for you. As always, I left you the product links and all the details in the description below. I thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you next time.